Hi, good morning everyone. Especially here in Middle East part of here in abroad or Saudi Arabia. So let's talk about regarding with this mom coming from Nexi 12 in TikTok. Okay, mom, and a lot of them always asking how, paano, or how di Carabao. To be honest, the real answer is already in the application. Okay? Not in the Facebook. Already in the application. All of the guides you can see in Sweatcoin application and Sweat Wallet application. So if you are still not in the official community of Sweatcoin and Sweat Economy, click the join our community in Sweat Wallet, or if you still doesn't have Sweat Wallet, if you see in your home dashboard, click the walking to crypto. That's very easy. Kaya ang dami pa rin nagtatanong na lutang. Bakit? Kasi hindi nila binabasa yung sa home dashboard. Nakasimple. You must to or earn. If you want to earn your walking, just click the walking to crypto and activate your Sweat Wallet by your email. Ganun lang simple. Ayan, magtatanong, paano, how? So, once nakita nyo to sa Sweat Wallet nyo, join our community. Click nyo yung Discord, click nyo yung Reddit, click nyo yung Telegram. Download nyo pong tatlong yan. Kasi yung tatlong yan, may tatlong community manager. Ganun lang kasimple. Ayan, hanapin nyo sa Telegram yung guides. Andoon yung tinatanong nyo yung how. Lahat ng katanungan nyo andoon. Paano i-activate yung Sweat Wallet nyo andoon din. Paano mag-unlock ng Influencer Hub at saka paano mag-promote using our links nandoon din sa Telegram guides. At especially sa Discord, andun din si Influencer Manager. Siya rin nagdi-discuss kung ano nakalagay o nakasaad doon sa guides ng influencer. Okay. Ganun lang kasimple. Hindi nyo na kailangan pumunta ng Facebook, Facebook Dummy, Facebook Sweetcoin Influencer Hub. No. There is no official community in Facebook. Unless if you click all of this in your Sweat Wallet, join our community. All of this. Guys, very easy. Di na kayo mahihirapan. Sa totoo lang. Kaya sa kapapaano, gamitin natin yung utak. Nasa application lang natin. Nasa application natin, wala sa Facebook. Hindi natin kailangan i-rely sa ibang tao na tayo rin magbe-benefits nito, hindi ibang tao. Kaya lang simple. Kung gusto mo matuto, aralin mo tong Sweatcoin at Sweat Economy na ikaw mismo magbe-benefits nito, hindi ibang tao. So kung paano mag-promote gamit ang link mo, hindi mo kailangan i-insist yung ibang tao. Ang gamitin mo, yung guides nandito na nilagay ni Influencer Manager. Andyan lang. Kasi lahat maraming option. Lagi sinasabi, ang hirap naman mag-invite dyan. Sa totoo lang, meron pong guides na kasaad kung paano tayo maglagay ng ating link sa TikTok, hindi sa bio. Kaya ang dami nagkakamali. Kaya nito kay Ma'am Dixie. Chinek ko yung account niya. Ang mali doon, yung link niya nilagay niya lang sa bio. Dapat nilalagay ang link sa official na link mismo. At saka, i-promote nyo si Sweatcoin gamit yung link nyo. Ganun lang kasimple. Gumagawa tayo ng video sa TikTok, bakit di natin i-promote si TikTok? Or si Sweatcoin, bakit di natin i-promote si Sweatcoin gamit ang TikTok account? Ganun lang simple. We are in business community. So, Sweatcoin application asking us to promote them. So, you are asking for Influencer Hub, just promote them. That's how it works. Okay? If you want to earn here in Sweatcoin application and Sweat Economy, don't forget to click the link, especially the link in my bio. That's how I help you. And I will guide you, to be honest. Here is Mikael. Right now is signing up. Thank you.
If you want to earn huge rewards